Hey, yo, this is Dave. I am here with my Scion XB, and I've wanted to do this upgrade for a while, and it is converting that blank spot on the Toyota dash into a double USB port. And this one has a voltmeter in the middle, which is important because in Arizona, our batteries go bad in just no time flat. Like a 2-year-old battery is not a big surprise. So I've never done this before. I just got this in the mail. Let me show you. That is it. It's got this on the side. So 12 volt input, about 2 amp output, or 12 volt, yeah, and then output. Depends on which voltage you're looking at. So 3.2, 2.1, or 1.5 times 2. Made in China. It says it's smart. I hope it is. And this outside goes red, blue, or frosted blue, depending on what it is telling you. And then this is cool. Do you see how the USB ports, they can go in upside down or right side up? It doesn't make a difference because of the way they're built. So, and then here's the other end. I'm going to set this right here. And, you know, this is my work vehicle. So, give me some grace. Really long cord. And then it's got these two ends. And what's cool is you could actually plug them into each other to show that, you know, just it doesn't get rid of the cigarette lighter. And then I've got a fuse. It's got an inline fuse holder right there. So let's get to this. I've never done this. I hope it's going to go well. You're supposed to lift up under here. Sure enough. Oh, that sounds bad. Okay. And I got one more. All right, so there we go. And there's my blank. So, can you see that? There. Okay, so here it is popped out. I've got, these are the yellow things are the clips. And so here you can see where it's being held there. So I took my little blank out. And then let's feed these wires through the hole. And this hard one-handed. Wish I had some sort of phone mount or camera thing, but here. We're gonna get that through there. And you guys, again, this is my work vehicle. I run a disinfection business and odor removal. So I have paper towels and water to show that our germ shield service is awesome. Okay, so there it is. That's upright. Let's see. And I think I got the one called 1.3. So there's two different sizes. This is the smaller one, which is important. Hold on. Let's see if this is... I just think I just have to push harder, but I don't like to push that hard on little plastic stuff that's 10 years old, been out in the sun all its life. There we go. And, please don't snap. Ugh. Well, I don't feel like it's supposed to be this difficult, but maybe it shrunk in the sun. That's a joke. I tell people I'm really funny, but my wife, it's just my stealth humor. Okay, come on. Let's go in straight. There's gotta be so many jokes in here. Okay, but, oh, there we go. So many jokes. Okay, so far so good, right? Looks nice. All right, then I hear, and this is on the Scion forum. Somebody posted this up. Pull this out. Where are the seams? Do you see a seam? Well, let's just start pulling. Yeah, there's something. Huh. Hold on. You know, the instructions, if you read the instructions, it says to disconnect the negative battery terminal, which is always a good idea. Oh, that does come out. Okay. There it is. So, can you see down there? So, there's your clips. There is the cigarette lighter. So, let's see if I can just pull. See, rumor is that this clip comes out of, how does that work? Let me see. Okay, so if we're going to send this down here, I need to get that out of the way first, right? So this is where the wires are going to end up. So let's just put those now. Okay, so let's say that's okay. I'm not really sure, but I hope. Then this is the one that goes on the cigarette lighter, right? So here's what we're going to do. How does it clip? I don't know. Oh, well, let's see. There's a little latch, maybe on top. All this stuff can be so brittle. I don't want to break anything. Okay, might have to get serious here. Okay, oh, well, you can see it really well right there. So there's our plug. I just need to figure out how to get it off. And it's this little, if I push, so I'm looking at our replacement plug, right? To see, there's this little tab right there. So see if I can get my hand in there. There it is. Okay, guys. All you have to do is, sorry about the focus, is push that little half moon right there. So here we go. I'm going to put that into the only place it'll go. But before I do that, let me plug in this replacement one, right? So I don't want to power anything on till the very end. So, okay, so the factory lighter is hooked back up, and I'm going to put in, how's that go? There it is. Okay, guys. So, first, let's see if I can help you see here. Okay, so that is my new wire down right there. And then I plugged in the old wire into this. So this is coming from the new wiring harness, right? So, let's shove all that back. And let's just try it before we put it all back together. Ooh, there it is. It's green. I don't know what that is.
Like I'm really an easy.
All right, so I got 13.4 volts, 13.3, and then let's say I plug in cable. Oh, this is cool because I can go this way, or it holds in there pretty good, or turn it. This is how USB should have been built to begin with. USB-C is. Okay, so now I'm going to plug in my phone Let's see if it changes color. 13 amps, it does not. 13.4. Oh, did you see that? A little bit of drop. Okay, so 13.4. Plug in my phone. 13.2. But the thing doesn't change color. Oh. Well, I'm thrilled with this. This is exactly what I wanted. So let's button it all back up. You guys, I know this is super boring, but this is a video I wish I could have seen just to have a little bit of confidence that I can do this. So let's put it all back in, and okay, that's back on. Make sure my wires aren't pinched, and that is still functional. Okay, my hazard blinker still works. Well, that is just as cool as can be. So there you go. That's it. My car is running. You can see I have 13.4 volts. And then this is what I used to use in my cigarette lighter output. So let's see if that still works. So I open up my output, my power port, and it still works. See that light? So yeah, we bypassed the cigarette lighter, or didn't bypass it. We tapped into it with factory connections. So, and now I can put my chargers. I'm going to put it up here so I can see the readout better. I really did want to see the readout, so I know when my alternator is getting ready to go, or my battery. So again, both are working. Well, this is awesome. I'm really stoked on that. Yeah, there you go. I'll put a link to the description below. But that's cool. Thanks for hanging in there for this strange long video. I am delighted. I could not be any more pleased with that. That's great. All right, this is Dave. Thanks for hanging out. I've never done that before, and that's clear, right? Like, that was obvious that I am a first timer on this one. So I'm at 13.4 volts, and I turn off my car, and then we turn on to battery. And just battery, 12.9, 12.8, 12.7. I got the fan blowing, 12.6. Back up to 12.7. There we go. So we're holding at 12.7 without anything on. The radio's on, but well, let's see. Let's turn it off. Does that change anything? Okay, lights are off. So just set up like that. So 12.7. You guys, this is awesome. I'm super stoked. Here is, let me give you the information really quick. Dual USB, 6.4 amp Toyota car charger with voltmeter, user manual. And it is the smaller of the two. Yeah, 32 by 22 millimeters. Awesome. This is how it should have been to begin with. I'm glad I did it. It was less than $20. And if you've watched this painfully long video, then I owe you a coffee. So look me up if you're in Phoenix or North Carolina, and we will get you a coffee as a thank you for watching this video. Hope it helps.